One fucking no. First month of daily trade journals complete, pure accountability, real numbers, real trades, no signals, no upsells, just the raw data. So what happened? Let's get into it. Don't expect profits. So what is this series? The daily uploads are the reps. They are in the weeds. They're the losses, the wins, the mistakes, the pain, the emotional ups and downs. And this series is the zoom out, the 30,000 foot view. How did we do over the course of 1 month? It's a time to take a breath and see what happened. $15,614 in profit across challenges and funded accounts. 4 weeks green, 1 red, no break even. Payouts, $3K. Fees, $1,084. Net income, $1,916. Pretty good. Accounts active, I think 8 currently at last count. And I was aiming for a 6-week win streak. It came to an end with 5 weeks. Can't complain. Not too bad. So what happened through the month? July 6th, 3 losses in 45 minutes in the inception of this channel. And the diagnosis was, it is not what's happening on the charts, it's what's happening between my heads. A mere 7 days later, first payout from 2 accounts after a 6-month grind and climbing myself out of a long drawdown. So week 3, the dashboard finally flipped green. It wasn't on one trade, it was on a bunch of trades that got me there. It was grinding, disciplined trading, and focus. Last week, the wobble. 11K on Monday, was feeling pretty good. Tuesday, no trade, and then a breakdown Wednesday, Thursday, and ultimately a no trade day on the Friday. So last week didn't end well, but generally speaking, was an excellent month. 3 lessons that I learned from this month. The Monday data. Man, it feels good to look back and get some key insights. I lose a lot on Mondays, and we talked about it this month. It's the anticipation, the eagerness to get into the action that ultimately lead to impulsive decisions. So Mondays, now we have the data, now we're clear. We're gonna try and right the ship. Lesson 2, acceptance is in the body, not in the mind. You can justify, or you can rationalize the logic and feel like you've accepted the losses, but until you really internalize that, feel the heart rate flutter, the palms sweat, that's a real visceral reaction to losses that I need to work on, calm the nerves, and just get calmer at as the trading weeks and months wear on. And lesson 3, a valid setup does not necessarily mean a trade. Wanting to see the action because there's a valid setup is okay. However, you've got to take market context into consideration. If you don't do that, you probably end up messing with your expected value. The open question to carry into August is, at a 40% win rate, you expect to lose the majority of trades. Should I take every valid setup or take market context into consideration? It remains to be seen. We'll keep an eye on it. Rules review. Which rules earned their keep? Definitely 1 trade a day helped me keep a good, solid mental state. Whenever I take 2 trades a day, it's tilt time. So nothing's changing, just got to stay the course. Another rule that kept its keep was putting myself on timeout after a tilt day. Very important, must keep doing. August intention, 1 to 2 trades a day, no P&L targets. Still traveling, still on the road, not exactly in the perfect setting, not at my battle station, not in the time zone I want to be trading. So waiting carefully for this month. And what's coming next month? We're going to do a dashboard review and jump into how to play the prop firm game, at least as I see it. There's plenty of ways to play it, but I think I found a formula that at least works for me. And I've gotten a payout this month. It was my 2nd payout total. So it seems to be working for me, and I'd love to share it with you. Don't expect profits.